Hello, this is Ms. Porter. I am going to teach you about algebraic proofs. This was actually for week 6, but I realized that I had not posted a video Sunday afternoon. So I'm going to walk through with you how to do a couple of algebraic proofs. This will help you on your algebraic proofs assignment. If you did that and you did not do so well, you have 3 attempts. If you have already used those 3 attempts and you want an additional attempt, just email me and I will help you out. So all proofs begin with a given and a proof, okay? And in this unit, what we are doing is we are making 2-column proofs, okay? So on the left-hand side, you have your statements, and on the right-hand side, you have your reasons. So number 1, we always start off with our given. So you write down your given and you write that it is given. Number 2, in this situation, the next step that we would do would be the distributive property. Distributive property is where you multiply the 4 outside of the parentheses by everything inside of the parentheses. So 4x plus 12 equals 48. And the reason is the distributive property. We're basically just stating the reason why we did that. Number 3 is the next step in our algebraic equation. We actually subtracted 12 from both sides, and that was the subtraction property of equality, and I just simplify that and put POE, P-O-E. And then finally, we divide by 4 on both sides, and x is equal to 9, which is our proof. And our reason for this last one is division property of equality. Okay, this is a very simple one. Let's see if I can find one that's a little bit more complicated. Oh, here's one. This one right here this is the way you would get this. You would start it off with our given, our proof, and our 2-column equality. Our 2-column proof. So number 1, we always start off with our given. Our given is 4x plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 27. And our reason is that it is given. Number 2, the next thing I always notice, if I have a parentheses with a number outside of it, that is the very next thing I need to do. I need to do the distributive property. So I multiplied 3 times x and 3 times 2, and I stated that that was the distributive property. My next step, I see here that I have like terms. So 4x plus 3x is 7x, plus 6 is 27. My reason was I combined like terms. Then I'm just working through how to solve an equation. I subtract 6 from both sides. So my reason is the subtraction property of equality. And then I divided both sides by 7. So that was the division property of equality. If you have any questions on how to do those assignments, please get with me as soon as possible. Thank you.